Spider, any of more than 46,700 species of arachnids that differ from insects in having 8 legs rather than 6 and in having the body divided into 2 parts rather than 3. The use of silk is highly developed among spiders. Spider behavior and appearance are diverse, and the arachnids outside Europe, Japan, and North America have not been thoroughly collected and studied. Witness an orb weaving spider using silk wrappings to immobilize grasshopper prey. Witness an orb weaving spider using silk wrappings to immobilize grasshopper prey. See all videos for this article. All spiders are predators, feeding almost entirely on other arthropods, especially insects. Some spiders are active hunters that chase and overpower their prey. These typically have a well-developed sense of touch or sight. Other spiders instead weave silk snares, or webs, to capture prey. Webs are instinctively constructed and effectively trap flying insects. Many spiders inject venom into their prey to kill it quickly, whereas others first use silk wrappings to immobilize their victims. Spiders are found on all continents, except Antarctica, although spider fragments have been reported there, and at elevations as high as 5,000 meters, 16,400 feet, in the Himalayas. Many more species occur in the tropics than in temperate regions. Though most spiders are terrestrial, one Eurasian species is aquatic and lives in slow-moving fresh water. There are a few species that live along shores or on the surface of fresh or salt water. Small spiders and the young of many larger species secrete long silk strands that catch the wind and can carry the spiders great distances. This behavior, called ballooning, occurs in many families and expedites distribution. Some species are distributed in this way around the globe within the bounds of the northern jet stream. Ballooning spiders drift through the air at heights that range from 3 meters, 10 feet, or less to more than 800 meters, 2,600 feet. All spiders are predators. Because of their abundance, they are the most important predators of insects. Spiders have been used to control insects in apple orchards in Israel and rice fields in China. Large numbers of spiders have also been observed feeding on insects in South American rice fields and in fields of various North American crops. Modern pest management strategies emphasize the use of insecticides that do the least damage to natural predators of insect pests. Although many spiders produce venom for use in capturing prey, few species are toxic to humans. The venom of the black widow, genus Latrodectus, acts as a painful nerve poison. The bite of the brown recluse and others of the genus Loxosceles may cause localized tissue death. Other venomous spiders include the tarantula-like funnel web spider, genus Atrax, of southeastern Australia and some African members, baboon spiders, of the family Theraphosidae of Africa and South America. In North America, Cheiracanthium mudi, a small, pale spider introduced from the Mediterranean, and the native Cheiracanthium enclosum may enter houses in late fall and are responsible for some bites. Occasionally tissue death at the site of the bite occurs. Some American tarantulas throw off abdominal hairs as a defense against predators. The hairs have tiny barbs that penetrate skin and mucous membranes and cause temporary itching and allergic reactions. Certain species of orb weavers, Arachnidae, tarantulas, Theraphosidae, and huntsman spiders, Sparacidae, and members of family Nymphalidae are suspected predators of bats, especially species of Vesper bats, family Vespertilionidae, and sheath-tailed bats, family Imballinuridae. Birds have also been known to become trapped in spider webs, and in some instances spiders have been observed feeding on birds. These reports have led scientists to propose that flying vertebrates may be an important source of prey for certain species of spiders. The bodies of spiders, like those of other arachnids, are divided into 2 parts, the cephalothorax, prosoma, and the abdomen, opisthosoma. The legs are attached to the cephalothorax, which contains the stomach and brain. The top of the cephalothorax is covered by a protective structure, the carapace, while the underside is covered by a structure called the sternum, which has an anterior projection, the labium. The abdomen contains the gut, heart, reproductive organs, and silk glands. Spiders, except the primitive subodomesotheli, differ from other arachnids in lacking external segmentation of the abdomen and in having the abdomen attached to the cephalothorax by a narrow stalk, the pedicel. The gut, nerve cord, blood vessels, and sometimes the respiratory tubules, tracheae, pass through the narrow pedicel, which allows the body movements necessary during web construction. Among arachnids other than spiders, the tailless whip scorpions, order Amblypygi, have a pedicel but lack spinneret.